Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for QA engineer job or internship, so you can apply for the job. This is the very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. सो लेट्स गो एंड स्टार्ट द वीडियो. सो दिस इज द पेज ऑफ Seagate and it's a hiring for intern of VLSIDI for Pune location. So let's talking about this role. So be able to work in the block level physical design implementation using EDA tools and floor planning, placement and timing timing analysis. Understand semi-custom IC design flow of the IP library concept to Verilog netlist meaning and timely consist of QOR check and all these things you have to know. Of ASCI design flow of the tools, good understanding of circuit design and logic design, good understanding of analog circuit and design of concept, and all these things you have to know. And the location is from Pune. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from NetApp and it's hiring for software QA engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this job summary. So we are looking for a software QA engineer who can participate in the agile development process to develop in the execute test plan, automate script and program for testing. This position will be responsible for analyze test result and ensure correct functionality and create defect of the required. So job responsibility is that as a QA engineer you would like to ensure being built and process being used adhere to all standard of the requirement. As a key of the function our engineering organization, you will be responsible for identifying and estimate defect of NetApp product and solution for ensure customer satisfaction, and all these things you have to know. And qualification, as any experience related to storage industry preferred but not essential for the position. Candidate who have required for basics knowledge of skills through educational internship or related coursework will be considered, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Move to the next job. Next job is coming from Syngender Electronics and it's a hiring for automation test engineer. So let's talking about this job description. So test design, creating in it initial test design, test plan or test cases, script writing clean high quality standard of the script to test product functionality, automation environment, test execution, test maintenance, troubleshooting, test reporting, and all these things you have to know. And skills like those who have knowledge of Java, Selenium, test rail, Jira defect tracking system, understanding of agile process, continue integration with CI/CD, Jenkins, GitHub Action, and desired skills performance monitor tool of JMeter, functional security testing, knowledge of tools for security code scams. And those who have a qualification, those who have done BTech or CS or IS can apply, and they are hiring for Bangalore location. So how to apply, so you have to just click here apply online and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Move to the next job. Next job is coming from Amazon and it's hiring for quality insurance for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this key roles responsibility to testing application for the product both manual or using automation tool, install and configure software, use defect setting, and you have a technical ability to get log for tracker or add to bug report or to provide with the instruction, run automation script, analyze failure, support automation, identify issue to deep dive troubleshoot, communicate with the stakeholder to escalate of issue of providing a status report, and all these things you have to know. And those who have basics qualification for BS of computer science or equivalent combination of technical education can apply. Good ethical and QA acumes and ability to understand technical specification and analyze log files, and knowledge of QA methodology and tools. And skills like for those who have knowledge of Java, C++, Perl, Python, and based on automation, so you can apply for the job, and such as Selenium and WebDriver. So how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 4 different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for QA engineer job, so you can apply for the job. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye and be